Want to learn coding but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're stuck on a coding problem and need instant help? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to learn coding fast, whether you're a beginner or want to level up your skills. From understanding basic concepts to debugging and writing real projects, I'll share step-by-step techniques to make ChatGPT your ultimate coding tutor. Stay till the end for a pro tip that will supercharge your learning. Let's dive in. Step 1. Learning the basics with ChatGPT. If you're completely new to coding, ChatGPT can help you understand the basics in the simplest way. Example. Prompt. Explain Python variables in simple terms with examples. After entering this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a clear explanation along with examples, making it easier for you to understand. Now, let's take it a step further. Better prompt for faster learning. Teach me Python variables step by step with explanations and coding exercises. Once you enter this, ChatGPT will break down the topic into bite-sized lessons and even give you exercises to practice. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Understanding coding concepts with analogies. Struggling to understand complex concepts? Ask ChatGPT to explain them with real-life analogies. Bad prompt. Explain object-oriented programming. Better prompt. Explain object-oriented programming as if I were 10 years old using a real-life example. Try this prompt, and you'll see ChatGPT simplify the concept using relatable real-world comparisons. Once you get the hang of it, learning new topics will be much easier. Step 3. Practicing with hands-on, coding exercises. Learning by doing is the fastest way to master coding. Ask ChatGPT to generate coding exercises for you. Example. Prompt. Give me 5 beginner-friendly Python exercises with solutions. As soon as you submit this, ChatGPT will provide exercises along with solutions. Complete them, and let's move on. Take it further. Create a step-by-step project for me to build a simple calculator in Python. After entering these, ChatGPT will guide you through the project or challenge. Once you're done, let's explore debugging. Step 4. Debugging your code with ChatGPT. Stuck on an error? ChatGPT can help debug your code. Example. Prompt. Here's my Python code. It's not working. What's wrong? Paste your code after the prompt. After submitting this, ChatGPT will analyze your code, find the mistake, and suggest corrections. Try it now, and then let's see how to build real projects. Step 5. Building projects with ChatGPT's help. Once you understand the basics, it's time to build real projects. Example. Prompt. Help me build a simple to-do list app in JavaScript. Provide step-by-step instructions. After entering this, ChatGPT will break down the project into clear steps, helping you build it from scratch. Try it out, and let's move on to advanced learning. Take it further. Suggest a roadmap for learning web development with project ideas. ChatGPT will provide structured learning paths and sample code. Once you explore these, let's dive into advanced topics. And that's how you use ChatGPT to learn coding fast. Try these prompts now and let me know in the comments which one helped you the most. For more coding and AI tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.